Alright, off to another fun day here. It's the end of the day. It's a long day for me. I've been up for 12 hours now with less than an hour of sleep today. So, we're dealing with my sister's house caught on fire. So that's next door, so I've been dealing with that all day. Basically, it's like that house over there. It's got that room right there sticks out from the roof. That one caught on fire and did some damage. Not real bad, but it's all burning on the inside. But at least the roof is still good. Then I'm in here in the shop looking for wire terminal stuff to go tie off wire, and I find that there's flood in here. So nice clear sky today. So all of these boxes here are soaking wet. All my real valuable old stuff and racing stuff's all in here. It's all soaked. And this is all racing shit here. It's all soaked. NOS stuff, all my racing cams, main shaft, all racing stuff, more cams, racing valve springs, they get all wet. Old rod set, brand new KR sprockets down there. That's those ones laying over there. So all my good stuff. So if you look down here on the floor, you can see water in there. So this is soaked over here. It's soaked over here. Looks like it's dry. Nope, it's wet under here also. Yeah, it's wet all the way under here. So all of this stuff's got to come back out again for the 4th time. It's all wet through here, and I've been clearing out this back hole over here. It's just soaking wet. You can see all the moisture in the floor now. So everything in here is just soaked. This is all NOS Harley parts. I'm getting into NOS stuff now, way back in there, and everything in here is soaking wet. This thing's stacked solid full of parts. You can see the water in that case down there, just sitting standing water. So what happened was we had a toilet breakage issue in here. So this here was soaking wet in here, and this brand new 1964 toilet for some reason decided to split wide open in here. I don't understand why. This whole side in here is just split wide open all the way down, and it's just been dripping, just pouring water out there for who knows how long. For the amount of water I see, probably close to a day now. So anyway, it's a mess. So not only did the shop get all wet again, the dry stuff that's always in here is all soaking wet. You can see all the water on the floor under there. And like I said, that's all NOS Harley stuff all stacked up through there. So that's all my really valuable stuff buried up under here. Stuff's been in here for decades. All my racing parts from these boxes like that one, that's going to be, it's all soaking wet. So everything down here is just soaking wet. So it's been a fun day. Yeah, yep. So when I get done for pulling this crap out, then I get to pull all this stuff back up and get rid of the water again. What fun. Plus dealing with a burnt house, which is, I'm supposed to be working on right now instead of this, but oh well. So anyway, fun times in San Diego. Even though we don't get wet from weather, we get wet from plumbing. So, alright, that's where we're at for today. So, not getting work done on what I'm supposed to be working on, but I'm working. Alright, that's it for now.